Hi, I'm Rochelle from Sunbury Local Businesses, and this morning I'm here with Nam from Vineyard Medical Centre. Good morning.
Good morning, Rochelle.
How are you?
I'm well, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. Now, we're here today to talk a little bit about yourself.
Yep.
So tell me, what do you actually do here?
So I'm actually a plastic and reconstructive surgeon.
Okay.
And so that encompasses a wide variety of surgeries and conditions that I can treat.
Yep.
So that varies from conditions of skin cancers and little lumps and bumps like cysts, as well as hand conditions such as carpal tunnel syndrome, trigger fingers, ganglions,
Wow.
as well as breast reduction surgery, body contouring surgery, as well as cosmetic procedures such as facelifting, etc. So plastic and reconstructive surgery encompasses a wide variety of things.
Wow. So do you do cosmetic procedures here?
Absolutely. So some of the cosmetic procedures I do relate to cosmetic procedures of the face.
Yep.
So facelifting, upper eyelid surgery, lower eyelid surgery, as well as rhinoplasty or nose jobs.
Okay, yep.
And then of course body and trunk procedures such as breast reductions, breast augmentation, abdominoplasty, and other surgeries related to massive weight loss in particular. So people may want a thigh lift or buttock lift, etc.
Okay, that's interesting. So do you recommend those types of procedures?
So I wouldn't necessarily recommend cosmetic procedures because they are non-essential surgeries.
Okay.
However, I do feel that there are certain procedures which can really improve someone's sense of self-esteem and sense of well-being.
Okay.
So for example, in an aging population, I do think that having your upper eyelids done, for example, is a really safe and powerful way of rejuvenating the face and giving yourself a refreshed look without actually having that operated on appearance.
Yep.
And similarly, I think people who have undergone massive weight loss would certainly benefit from body contouring procedures because often they've lost a huge amount of weight, but then they're not happy with the excess skin and tissue. And there are certainly procedures which can improve that sense of well-being.
Fantastic. And so do you operate from here? Is that right?
So I do my consultations here in Sunbury.
Okay.
The majority of my operations are performed in a private hospital setting at Warringal, which is in Heidelberg, so
Okay.
it's not too far from here.
Yep.
I do offer follow-up here.
Yep.
And I do also operate at Epworth Eastern, which is in Box Hill,
Yep.
but depending on patient convenience and what their preferences are.
Okay, so how would someone get in contact with you to have that initial consultation and then discuss their needs?
Well, there are two options. You could call Vineyard Medical Centre directly on 9744 6222, or you could call my rooms directly on 9041 2936.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your time today.
My pleasure.